Meet MoonBot, the cutting-edge educational robot that is transforming the way we learn and interact with technology. Designed to inspire creativity and innovation, MoonBot is a versatile, interactive, and intelligent robot that brings the excitement of robotics and AI into the classroom and home. Whether you're a student, educator, or tech enthusiast, MoonBot offers a hands-on experience that makes learning fun and engaging. MoonBot is equipped with a powerful AI system that allows it to perform a wide range of tasks, from simple movements and object detection to complex interactions and problem-solving. MoonBot is designed to adapt and learn. Its AI capabilities enable it to recognize faces, understand voice commands, and even respond to emotions, making it a truly interactive companion. One of the most exciting features of MoonBot is its modular design. Users can easily assemble and customize MoonBot using various modules and sensors, allowing for endless possibilities in programming and functionality. This modularity not only makes MoonBot a great tool for learning about robotics and engineering, but also fosters creativity as users design their own unique robot configurations. Programming MoonBot is accessible to users of all skill levels. For beginners, MoonBot can be programmed using a visual programming interface, where commands are represented by colorful blocks that can be dragged and dropped to create sequences of actions. This intuitive interface makes it easy for young learners to grasp the basics of coding. For more advanced users, MoonBot supports traditional programming languages such as Python and C++, providing a deeper understanding of coding and robotics. For educators, MoonBot offers a comprehensive suite of resources and lesson plans that align with educational standards. These resources are designed to help teachers integrate MoonBot into their curriculum seamlessly, whether it's teaching basic coding principles or exploring advanced robotics. MoonBot provides a structured yet flexible learning path that can be tailored to different grade levels and learning objectives. Beyond the classroom, MoonBot is a fantastic tool for individual learning and exploration. Hobbyists and tech enthusiasts can experiment with MoonBot's capabilities, creating innovative projects that push the boundaries of what the robot can do. From building smart home automation systems to developing interactive games, the possibilities are only limited by imagination. MoonBot is also designed with connectivity in mind. It can be integrated with other smart devices and IoT systems, enabling users to create sophisticated, interconnected projects. For example, MoonBot can be programmed to control home lighting, monitor environmental conditions, or even interact with other robots, showcasing the potential of IoT and smart technology. Safety and reliability are key considerations in the design of MoonBot. The robot is built with durable materials and equipped with multiple safety features, including collision detection and automatic shutdown mechanisms. These features ensure that MoonBot can operate safely in various environments, providing peace of mind for educators and parents alike. Imagine a future where every student has the opportunity to explore the world of robotics and AI through hands-on interactive learning. With MoonBot, this future is within reach. By bridging the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical application, MoonBot is transforming education and inspiring a love for learning.